Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Planet CMS app. So in this video we will learn about record to report R2R process. Record to report is a management process. ये एक management process है for providing strategic, financial and operational feedback to understand how a business is performing. ये R2R एक management process है for providing strategic, financing or operational feedback to understand how a business is performing. This process involves collecting, transforming and delivering relevant, timely and accurate information to all the stakeholders inside and outside the organization to provide insight into how their expectations have been met. It covers the step as follows. So the first step is data extraction, second step is data collection, third step is data validation, fourth step is data transformation, generation of vouchers. Fifth step is voucher posting to general ledger. Sixth step is storing voucher in denormalized and compressed format. Seventh is generating analysis account trial balance or consolidated analysis account trial balance. And the last one is generating user defined financial and management report. Now following are the broader division of activity involved in R2R cycle. This is a part of month-end process in which basically user will close all the periods and report and import all the general in GL from other modules like payable, receivable, fixed assets, etc. Then run all the month-end GL report like trial balance, account analysis, etc. In this, the first step is reconciliation. Reconciliation of what? Reconciling intercompany, multiple systems, banks, subsidiary to main set of books, customer and vendor. And general accounting like journal entry, intercompany costing, book closure, trial balance preparation, accrual, costing and consolidating of accounts. So this is the brief introduction of R2R process.